Find x if f of x, of course, is equal to negative, let's say negative 3 or negative 5, anything. So these are the ones that we have. So f of 2, f of negative 3, then find x if f of x is equal to negative 5. So the first thing that you do is that when you are solving for the first one, f of x. So you first of all write your equation, 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1. So f of 2. So where there's x there, we are substituting a 2. That means it's actually 2 by 2, then minus 1. That means f of 2 is equal to 2 by 2, of course, that's a 4 minus 1. That means f of 2 is equal to a 3. That's the answer for the first one. F of 2, of course, is equal to a 3. Like that. Like that. That's what you have. Now, let's go to the next one. So going to the next one, of course, f of negative 3. So f of negative 3. So f of negative 3, of course, 2x. Okay, f of x, 2x minus 1. That means f of negative 3 is equal to 2 by negative 3 minus 1. F of negative 3 is equal to 2 by negative 3, that's negative 6. So negative 6, of course, minus 1. So negative 6 minus 1, you go to the negative 3 6 times. You also go to the negative 1 time. That means you go to negative 7. That means minus 7. That's what you have on this one. Minus 7. So f of negative 3 is equal to minus 7. That's the answer for this guy. Then, going to the next one, we are finding the value of x if f of x is negative 5. The value of x if f of x is negative 5. So what we shall write is the same expression. So f of x, of course, is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Now, in finding this one, they've already given us an answer. They have already given us an answer. So what we shall do is we shall have to go backwards. So that means f of x is what? They've given us an answer that f of x is negative 5. So negative 5 is equal to 2x minus 1. So the negative 1 goes, the other side becomes a positive. That means it will be 1 minus 5 now. 1 minus 5 is equal to 2x. So 1 minus 5, that's negative 4. Because you go to the right 1 time, then you go to the left 5 times, you go to negative 4. So 2x is equal to that. That means x is equal to negative 4 divided by 2. That means x is equal to -2. That's the answer for this guy. X is equal to -2. That's the answer for this guy. Number 1. Then let's have the second example. So given that g of x is equal to 2x. Okay, let's just say x of course -3 divided by 4. Okay, divided by 2, anything. So find number 1, g of 7 or g of 9, anything. So in finding g of 9, how do we do it? So of course we write the same thing, g of x is equal to x minus 3 divided by 2. So where there's x, what are we putting? 9. That means g of x is equal to 9 minus 3. So it's g of 9 actually. So that means g of 9. So 9 minus 3, of course, that's a 6. So 6 divided by 2. That means g of 9 is equal to 3. That's number 1. Number 2. Or B. G of let's say negative 2. Anything. So g of x is the same thing. X minus 3 over 2. That means g of x is equal to, of course, -2. So -2 minus 3. So we are dividing this, of course, over 2. So g of minus 2 is equal to, so -3, -2 minus 3, that's -5. Because you go to the left 2 times, then again you go to the left another 2 times. That means you actually go to -5. That's what you have. So it will be -5, of course, over 2.